Here are to construct a new segment 3 times as long as the segment given, which is JK. So start by making your straight edge a segment that's very long, much longer than what you expect you're starting with. Make an endpoint to the left. If you want, you can call it J prime. Compass, put your bullseye so it's centered over point J and point K in your first pencil hole. Slide that down, bullseye over J prime that you labeled, and swing an arc. That right there could be K prime, and the JK is congruent to J prime K prime, and you could write that segment J congruent to J prime K prime with a bar on top. But since they want it 3 times as long, you're going to repeat that 2 more times. I'll switch colors. I'll swing an arc here. I'll switch colors again, reline on the intersection I just created, and swing another small arc. So now this is also the same distance between these 2 points, and this is also the same distance. If you want to use 2 tick marks so your arcs do not look like tick marks, come back and mark everything that's the same length with the same amount of tick marks. So let's call this JK prime. We'll call this point L. We didn't have an L. Point M. And we could say 3 times JK is congruent to J prime M. Here's our, or you could call that a whole new letter, Z. 3 times JK, the original JK, congruent to ZM, because I'm putting the Z as another name for the point right there, just so you're indicating correctly. You could also say JK prime plus KL plus LM congruent to all line. Many different